Forklift trucks are very heavy and very hard, and they hurt. They are unforgiving. They seriously injure a lot of people every year, and some people die. The majority of the people killed are pedestrians. Pedestrians often don't understand the dangers associated with forklift truck operations. Don't assume because you can see the truck that the driver can see you. The mast or load obscures the driver's vision, creating blind spots. Do not approach a forklift truck unless the driver is aware of your presence, and even then with caution. Forklift trucks have rear-wheel steering. This causes wide rear-end swing, which can strike or squash you. This is a red zone. Whenever entering or leaving a building, always use a man door. Keep to any designated footpaths. Do not use a traffic thoroughfare door. These are high-risk areas. In some departments we have to wear hearing protection, so be extra vigilant as you may not hear a vehicle approach. If using a mobile phone, pedestrians must take extra care where vehicles are operating, as the phone can cause a serious distraction. Remember, whenever an operator leaves a truck, they then become a pedestrian.